Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the tea? Siyahlazia. Guys, let's just unpack on today's proceedings there at the High Court in Pretoria. Although sometimes his things are all over the place, his evidence, guys, is like in another level. I'm just like this guy. Oh, Baloyi, know that they tried again to gang up on this guy, and this guy is just like, no, it's not gonna work with me. Mina, like I told you, Jomangla, Gakanjula why didn't Mina ngize instead of Zungu, you know? And then at some stage he was like, Nizongqambela manga in this court. Was it to Krata? Can you just please explain ufaka nami mhlambe lapho, or what do you mean? Please elaborate. Was it ngoba you keep on saying those things, you keep on saying along those lines, the court. What's in Angishi court? I didn't mean you as such, as a person, but the whole court. I mean, we come here in court and be lying. And people come in court. For example, Uginina will be coming here and my son and lied about me. Why didn't I come? But he did apologize to Rata. He did apologize to Rata. And Rata let that slide. He was just like, okay, let me just leave him, you know. Hey, yes, in guys, it's hard because, like I'm saying, sometimes we feel like, okay, asivaleni manje, i-court siphelile, we're done actually for this year. Can we get the people that were in the house to be arrested? That's all. Hi guys, thina senza kancane masabhizi sithi it's scamming, it's mgulukudu. Khona uthele umgodo uyoratha. Cabanga. Yabona uBaloyi nomntanakhe uRona Sibanda bayathatha ikhapha. When it comes to reading numbers the whole day, they don't mind, eh? They're reading phone numbers, which one, Uban was phoning who, like, how is that gonna solve which who actually unalived to send to me? You're just wasting our time. And we wanted a breakthrough before the 25th of December. By the 15th, you'll be closed, for example. The one which is not fair. Yes, umnisi uzamtshela uBaloyi ukuthi kodwa honestly lento yakhe yama-phone number ingena mhlambe we uBaloyi uphenduka ngokuthi at the end of the day hayi nomngane wakhe uRath defendela ukuthi no, actually phela angithi at the end of the day uPinky Vital sebame ngalokho, but how is it helping us, guys? Those phone numbers that you're reading for 3 hours, how are they helping us solve Senzomeyiwa's case? Akubona hayi uPinky Vital was did was a official Vodacom did must explain ukuthi these phone numbers, this is how it works, they pinging on those towers. But I mean, Emma Farm at some stage Uzungu was just like, it is none from chief young alapo, and then mina must be fetched by police in the bay. I want you Uzungu nama police namanga nezinto njengekho right. Akadlaleli lapho. It's just like manje fanele ngihlawule mina ngenkomo engingazazi ukuthi ngizoyithatha kuphi. Nibhizi ningifuna ukukhulumisa la kule court yenu yamanga, nifuna ukukhulumisa about the chief of leso skoti of that village. Please mina leave me alone. Guys, Highlight Court has become something else, eh? And there at Madlanga, people are protesting outside. I'm like, why are they not protesting for Senzomeyiwa's case? Please, like, uRathake noMnisi, it didn't end well, guys. Why are you pointing at me like you pointed at me last week? I'm just like, this guy is so petty. Why didn't you tell Mnisi that last week? He was pointing at you. Mnisi was like, no, this is hogwash. Doesn't really show Baloyi with his phone numbers and all of that. It's so unfair. Like, what is he even doing? Yamazi Urata was trying to gang up Mnisi wabakhomba ukuthi uRata wathi mina ngeke uzongikhomba kanjalo. You're not gonna point at me like that. And then immediately Urata ignore futhi Mnisi ukhuluma noBaloyi. Urata must just stop, guys. Urata must stay at home now. It's time. Thina sikhathele indaba kaRata, guys, because I don't know what is it in for him here. There's nothing for Urata there. Urata must stay at home. And
unless some of us didn't understand the evidence given by Pinky Fellingham. Maybe. Pinky Fellingham, when he was giving evidence, cell phone evidence, yes, he used to mention that this number got in touch with this number at such and such an age, at such and such a time, and the poll which was registered is this and this poll. Is that not what was happening?
But what does that
No,
have to
just
do
wait.
with
I
this
want to.
witness?
No, I just want to.
What does that have to do with this witness?
You don't have to argue with me.
No, the court has allowed the state to
No,
get away
don't
with
argue
murder
with
on
me.
a number of
Don't
occasions.
argue with
I'm
me.
not arguing with
What
the
are you
court.
doing?
I'm not arguing
The other
with
day
the
you
court.
pointed
No,
me like this.
No, I am saying
The
that
other
on a
day you
number of
argued
occasions
with
this
me
court has
and
allowed
pointed
the
me
state
like this.
to get away with murder.
Mr. Baloi, is that not how the evidence was adduced?
Well, indeed, my lord. Then we're just merely explaining the relevance of.
Ngapho Absalom is not backing down. It's just like, you know what? Mina ngizendlale nina in your criminality. I'm just like, even him. Ngidlale nje nina mina. Angiyona nje ingane yakho. Uthe nje angiyona ingane kaGininda mina. Bese kushoda ukuthi athi I'm not your child futhi wona Baloyi. But ushilo vele kuBaloyi ukuthi ena ungangenzi ngane. Please don't do that to me. Yo guys, go hectic nasemadlanga go hectic everywhere.
Ngalokho-ke sahlukana-ke kanjalo ukuthi-ke ngizomhlonipha kanti-ke futhi ngimnikeze-ke ithuba lokuthi akhulumisane nobaba wakhe. Sashintshisana-ke iy'nombolo zocingo, ngathatha-ke iy'nombolo zakhe ngase ngimbuza ukuthi usebenzela kwesiphi isiteshi samaphoyisa. Wase engitshela-ke ngathola mina ngalo mniningwane enginikeze wona ukuthi-ke wayesebenza-ke ngaphansi kwesandla sakhe-ke uGeneral Lishabane noma la kulesi statement kubhaliwe Shabane.
Then I said, asked him which police station. At line 9, Brigadier Gininda responded as follows. It was a cluster, my lord. So General Leshabani was a cluster commander in the North Rand, Tembisa, that area. He was a cluster commander, Major General in charge of the region. Yes, he has since retired, my lord. Then he proceeded as follows. Now, after the meeting, my lord, there would have been a number of obvious follow-ups from my side to try and check how far is he, and it was not really. There was no fruitful outcome between that day up to the 13th of November 2019. Now, leading to 13 November 2019, my lord, I recall that when I tried to reach him, I was struggling. This is now Constable Zungu. So I ended up, because Brigadier Perumal was still on board, and I said to him, the only lead that I had, which needed to be followed up, but is still outstanding, it is Constable Zungu. So I asked him to accompany me so that we can work together and trying to take the matter forward. Now, arrangements were made eventually, my lord, through General Leshabani for the first meeting. Was supposed to go on the 12th, I recall, of November 2019, which did not materialize. Brigadier Gininda proceeded at line 18. It is Absalom. I remember the name Absalom Zungu, my lord. His affidavit that I obtained was attached and disclosed to the defense, my lord. I think in the trial, within the trial,
sokuwuye noGininda ebesebezokhomba usebethi yina kanti bavula icala ngami.
Now it surprised me they did this act with Gininda, and then now all of a sudden they come and they go and open a case with my name, using my name.
Ngiyaqiniseka ukuthi uma inkantolo nayo yayisezingeni longenzi okunye isezingeni right, yayingeke ivume ukuthi yayingeke ivume inkantolo ukuthi kube uConstable Zungu ovula inkundla ngokuthi akhuluma akhomba abantu kanti kumangele kwezwa ngami.
My lord, if the court was also fair, the court was not going to allow Constable Zungu to come and testify when they said that I'm the one, when they saying that they had the matter or the information from me.
Kungani kukhona abashushisi la?
Why do we have prosecutors
bengabuza
here?
ukuthi hayibo nasi statement esabhalwa ukuthi kunozungu owenezwa ngaye ungani kufakaze indodana yakhe nenze so.
Why is it now it was done the other way around that my son or my son, rather Constable Zungu, came to testify and then they said that they have a statement from me. Why is it not that they did not call me to come and testify?
Mangibeka nje iqiniso lilonke kwakungafanele ufakaze concept mangisetshenziswa iqiniso kwangafanele kusetshenziswe Constable Zungu.
Stating the honest truth that there was not supposed to be a Constable Zungu that testified.
Kwakufanele phela kuhlale mina la.
I was the one supposed to be in the witness stand.
Ngikhombe laba abantu engibashilo.
And state and point out the people that I made mention of.
Kunjani inkantolo isivumela umuntu ongazasho ukuthi sezokhomba sekufakwa Constable Zungu sezokhomba ukuthi hayi nampe ngabathola benza so kungani lokho?
How is it now that the court had allowed someone who said that who comes here and point out at people and saying that I saw so and so doing this and that? How is it so?
Ngiyavumelana ke nokuthi bese nayo inkantolo corrupt ihlangene noGininda noConstable Zungu bamfakaselana uConstable Zungu la.
I'm also stating that this court is corrupt and is in this with Gininda. Why would they allow?
Sorry, are you saying this court is corrupt? Me, I'm corrupt. Because sometimes you use this word inkantolo or they court interchangeably. But are you saying me? I am corrupt. Who are you referring corrupt to?
Mawuthi wena inkantolo ke i-corrupt nayo usho kanjani?
Ngiyaxolisa ke.
No, I apologize, my lord.
Bengakwazi ke lokho bengibeka ukuthi kodwa inkantolo mayila umuntu wonke usenkantolo ngazi ngalokho. Nawe kuphethe wena ke inkantolo kodwa ikhona. Manje bengiqonde ke khona igama ebengifuna ubaloyi anginikeza izolo ngifuna ukuqedela lokuthi ubaloyi izinto efikela kuye.
What I meant to say was that the people who are working here in court are corrupt with this thing of Ginindas. And yesterday there is a word that Mr. Baloyi used that I wanted to take further with him.
Ngifuna lokho ukuthi angifuna kuvela amaqiniso.
I said that I want the truth to be revealed.
Ngoba ngilapha nje ngizofuna amaqiniso.
As I'm here, I want the truth.
Ukuthi yena ubaloyi bamukela la banikwa uGininda izinto.
That Mr. Baloyi is receiving things from Gininda.
Ukuthi lezi lamaphepha abanikeza bona bhalwe uZungu ukuthi wathi wenza lokhu nalokhu nalokhu.
That the papers that had been given to Mr. Baloyi by Brigadier Gininda stating that Zungu said this and that.
Simvulela icala nango sivule ngalona icala.
And the information we received from him, we are then opening a case.
Ilanga lokuqala nje nqa.
The very first day,
babe khona abashushisi.
the prosecutor was present.
I think there was a bit of an interpretation that got lost there. Mr. Zungu said, we used Mr. Zungu's statement to open a case. Now, I think it was interpreted to mean that they opened a case against Mr. Zungu. I think if that can just be cleared.
Ngathi mhlawumbe kunalapho ngilahle khona babuzungu lenkulumo ekutheni ke ukuthi bona ubrigadier wena uthe ke baye bavula ke icala ngawe manje uthi babumnisi mina ngizange ngibeke kahle leyo nkulumo uthi ke kwavulwa icala ngesizathu sakho ungekona ukuthi ke bakuvulela icala
bangivulela wakuGininda
mina babuzungu mina yimina engenzeke iphutha ngithi mina ukuthi ke inkulumo le yena mabeyibeka bekuthe ukuthi kuvulwe icala ngawe mina ngathi mina bakuvulele ke icala manje ngiyayilungisa ke leyo nkulumo ngiyayizisa manje bafana
ilokho ke babe nethi nje la ngicomment ukuthi mina akukuningi kahle kahle.
You said that I must give my comment, but there is not a lot.
Ngoba ingane le uConstable Zungu uye ebehamba hlangane namanye amagenga hlangane namanye amagenga. Lento ayenzekanga la ngisebenza khona mina.
Constable Zungu, or my son Constable Zungu, is the one that would normally or usually go and meet up with other guys. This thing did not happen where I work or where I am employed.
Mina bese ngisebenza ngingasasebenzi kahle la.
I was working there, but not under good conditions.
Ngaze ngafuna ukuthi ngihambe ngifake itikiti ngihambe.
And then I also
Emsebenzini ngiyeke emsebenzini.
I also wanted to resign from my employment.
Ngoba kunenkinga uConstable Zungu ufike ngelilanga efika nabantu inqwaba afika na engibizela le ngaphandle.
Because there was a time when Constable Zungu came with a lot of people and called me out.
Wathola ukuthi mayifona nginamagenge lamanye ngisebenza nawo.
And then when he phoned me, I was with my other colleagues.
Baba Zungu, without interrupting you, we ask you to comment on this evidence of Brigadier Gininda.
Manje ke baba ngithi besikufundela lesi statement ukuthi ke uBrigadier Gininda utheni ngomhla ka17 angisho ukuthi umshushisi beka sacela ukuthi uPaul kuloko esikufundile esesichazile la ukuthi uthini wena ngakhona.
Okay. Ngiyabonga amakhona into engiphazama bese ngihambe ukuthi kuningi kusuka okunye okuncane okungifuna.
I'm sorry, maybe I lost track and maybe there are other things that are disturbing me.
Mina bengime lapha ukuthi inkantolo ke uGininda sekufika la uzokhuluma uzofaka amaphepha wafaka nga.
And then when Gininda came here, he came to submit documents or papers in my name or under my name.
uConstable Zungu ke uyekelene uhlale kanjani akamnika uGininda lapha ebemtshena khona akamtshena futhi ukuthi ngobani labantu okukhuluma ngabo.
Angizwa ukuthi uConstable Zungu wenze njani?
Ngithi ngesikhathi efika uGininda
Yebo.
ufika nayo yonke information lebeyisa kubaphathi bakhe laphana epolice station. Usesuka kudlula nayo uthi abamnake epolice station. Useya nayo ke manje kuGininda.
Why is it that my son took the information, Constable Zungu, he took the information that he was supposed to give to his supervisors at work. Now he takes it to Gininda, and then because he said that they did not mind him or they did not pay attention to him, his supervisors.
Sorry.
Gininda
Sorry. The fact of the matter is, Brigadier Gininda was the lead investigator. He was in charge of the investigation of this case. Not any other person. Gininda himself was in charge. So every information had to come via him because he is the one who was in charge.
Uyena ke wayehola ke ithimba labaseshi noma ke labaphenyi uGininda kwakufanele vese ukuthi ke yonke imininingwane efikayo iqale kuyena indlule kuye.
Ngithi ke kwenziwa yena angabuza amagama laba abantu ezengabo kanti wayezakuye ezombikela nje ukuthi ngizokuthi akambuzanga ngani ukuthi ngobani laba ubani.
Why is it that Gininda did not ask him as to who are those people that he was referring to? Why did he not ask for their names?
Yes.
Yes, Mr.
Yes. Baba Zungu, there's a portion that maybe escaped your attention. We just wish to draw your attention to it again. The portion that we've just quoted to you. Brigadier Gininda testified that he says, "My Lord, now in the sworn affidavit for the first time." So it says, and this is on page 40, line 11, says, "Indeed, my Lord, on the 17th of November 2019, the father, Constable Zungu, brought the father, who then gave me a statement, and that statement implicated accused 1 and 2. So the names, my Lord, are now in a sworn affidavit for the first time." There is just underlined a sworn affidavit for the first time.
Manje ke uBrigadier Gininda la uyachaza ukuthi yebo Nkosi enkantolo mhla ka17 kuNovember kunyaka 2019 uConstable Zungu-ke wagcina-ke emlethile ubaba wakhe lapho-ke wazonikezela khona ngestatimende okuwukuthi kuleso statimende kwavela-ke amagama wabo-ke ummangalelo wokuqala nommangalelo wesibili. Kwakuwokuqala ngqa ngaphansi kwesifungo noma-ke istatimende esifungelwe sibhalisiwe kuleyo affidavit noma-ke leso statimende.
We put it to you yesterday that Constable Zungu's sworn affidavit was obtained on 31 May 2023.
Sichazileke izolo ukuthi statement sakhe-ke uConstable Zungu yena sithathwe ngomhla ka-31 kuMeyi unyaka waka-2023.
Do you wish to comment?
Kukhona ongathanda ukuphawula kulokho.
uConstable Zungu ufonela mina
Constable Zungu phoned me.
nje into uthi wathi nje webaba uthi bejwayele ukubiza ngalo ndlela abantu bamanje webaba.
He said to me, Father,
kade ngifonela uGininda
Gininda called me.
ngithi mina efonela uthi ethini na
I asked him, he phoned you to say what?
uthi uGininda ucela ngizobhala statement.
He said to me that Gininda was asking if I could come and give a statement,
Kuthiwa ngangikhona lapho kwakwenzeka khona ingozi.
to say that I was present where the incident took place.
Yes, but
Wahamba waya khona.
And then he left,
What's
went
that?
there,
Sorry.
out his statement.
Baba Zungu, the evidence of Constable Zungu is on record. We just want you to comment on this evidence of Brigadier Gininda.
Usefakazile-ke uConstable Zungu, ubufakazi bakhe bukhona lapha enkantolo sinabo.